Sir, we're ready to begin.
How old do you think it is? 10,000? 100,000?
Mr. Wayland?
Yes. Begin the breaching procedure.
Coming in low and smooth. Still nothing from the surface?
Negative. Surface to be a combat ground until further notice.
Understood, Marlowe. We're... What the hell? Unknown vessel detected. Shit, it just appeared out of nowhere. Marlowe, you reading this? Shit. Come in, Marlowe!
The Marlowe's gone. Blast wave inbound. Strap in and hold tight. That means you too, Rookie.
What's the matter, Rookie? Didn't they cover this in simulation?
Tequila, get the kid on his feet. He's out cold.
Rookie, you still with us? Come on, Private. Let's get you on your feet.
Okay, listen up. We have a potential xenomorph infestation here. That's right, a bug hunt. So make sure you nail your targets at a distance. Molecular acid can be a real son of a bitch. Time to secure the area. Let's take a look inside.
Got something. Movement right on top of us.
Rookie, you reading me? This is Tequila. Thought we'd lost you, kid. Take your time. Look around slowly. You took quite a knock to the head during the drop. Take a stim. You'll feel better. Your squad bugged out in a hurry. Had to leave you behind. On the upside, you missed a hell of a fight. Power's down all over the colony. Use your flashlight. And if you need more light, pop a flare. Alright, Marine. You need to get out of there. Way out's via the basement. I'll send an objective marker to your heads-up display. Clear of friendlies, so if anything moves, shoot it. Listen, Major Van Zant's got trouble in the refinery. I gotta go off mic. Keep moving. I'll be in touch.
BG-386, not quite a home away from home when the company staked its claim. But here at Weyland-Yutani we see beyond the immediate, shaping new worlds for every man, woman, and child. Weyland-Yutani, building better worlds. BG-386, not quite a home away from home when the company staked its claim. But here at Weyland-Yutani we see beyond the immediate.
reset the system with the power breaker. It should be a lever. Pull it to shut the system down. Good. Now give it a moment. Then turn it back on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now throw that lever again to reboot the system. What happened? I'm reading movement. Check your perimeter. Get out of there. Regroup with the others. Fuck. Close it, close it! Wait. I've still got environmental controls. Diverting pressure through the pipes outside your room. Boiling steam. That did the job. Looks like you're clear, but it's still around somewhere. It could be near. It's there! Remember, acid for blood, alien existence! Do you see its body? Incoming! Remember, acid for blood, alien existence! Don't forget, you've got stims if you need them. Damn it, now I'm locked in.
Real shame the rookie got left behind. Sure, he's wet behind the ears, but he's got heart. Maybe that'll be enough to see him through. Tequila out.
Whatever sank the Marlowe handed the Xenos a trump card. This drop is shaping up worse than Acheron, if that's possible. It's up to you now, rookie. Get your ass to admin pronto. real shitstorm here, so stay frosty, rookie.
They can't fool me. People are going missing, and they're being turned into androids. There's people walking around who aren't even human at all. My wife tells me I'm crazy, and that's how I know she's one of them too.
Locked in admin with no power, rookie.
Everything we do here hangs by a thread, but the potential returns are vast. If Weyland-Yutani can leverage the Hunter's technology, we can monopolize human commerce. Every colony, every spacecraft, every weapon manufactured by me, purchased from me.
Guard duty again. How come I always get the crappy details? Fucking tequila. Treats me like shit, but nursemaid's a new rookie. Waste of fucking time. No way that kid will make it through this.
What are you doing out there? Wrong way. Follow the objective marker to admin, rookie.
Bugs everywhere. They're coming through from someplace top of the pump room. Must be a way in from outside there. Shit!
Janie, my wife, she got one of those things on her face. I couldn't pull it off her, so I got a knife. It just burned right through her until there was nothing left.
Follow the arrow on your HUD. It circles your motion tracker. I'm picking up movement ahead of you, and it ain't friendly. Whenever you're ready, rookie. I don't have all fucking day.
This species has demonstrated that humanity's ruthlessness is nothing. Mankind legislates and debates, allowing rage or compassion to clip our wings. The xenomorphs have no such weaknesses.
Problem, rookie. I need your help here. I'm locked in the next room, but there's an emergency generator by the door. The generator takes power nodes. I saw some lying around out there.
Hypersleep cannot come quickly enough. So desperate am I to jump the weeks of travel between here and what awaits us on Freya's Prospect. This is an amazing opportunity.
I guess we're even. How's the head? Come on in and grab yourself a pulse rifle, kid. What the heck was Weyland-Yutani up to down here? It's Xeno Central on this rock, and these bugs don't just pop up unannounced. And I don't even want to think about the hostiles that popped in out of nowhere and took out the Marlowe. Anyway, listen, I think I can control some of the colony's systems from here.
All right, power's back online.
Repeat.
This is Connor. My squad's in the club. We got power, lighting, ventilation. Everything but the booze is flowing. Hold up. Shit. We got movement. Guess we woke up the neighbors. Requesting backup. There's some weird shit in here.
Connor, I can give you one man. He's a little clumsy, but he's a Xeno killer, all right. Proceed to the club and give him some fire support. I gotta stay here and get the rooftop sentries back online. Give him hell, rookie.
6. Connor, do you read? The rookie is in the vicinity. Rookie, they got the music off, so they must be near. Check the next floor. Head to the elevator. I've marked it on your HUD. What is that? Some kind of nest? Must be some new breed of Xeno.
Private Gibson here. I'm on my way to the rookie. We had to pull back. It was a slaughterhouse in there. I'm coming up in the elevator now.
Watch those shadows, rookie. The private will be there soon.
Almost there. Hold up.
I did what I had to. Those things would have got me too if I hadn't. I could hear my friends banging on the door, screaming as those things started to... I did what I had to. I didn't want to die.
Gibson? Shit. The Xeno must have ripped through some cables. Crap! The elevators are down. I'll try to reroute the power. I'm tracking multiple signals. Hold on, rookie! I'm working on an exit. Just stay alive. He's had a rough ride.
Sure thing, Tequila. I'll treat him like my kid brother.
How many of us are left? Those things are everywhere. They seem to want to take us alive. I don't know why. We don't have any weapons. We don't know what's happening. Someone will come though. They have to.
base camp, rookie. You had yourself quite a party back there. Glad you made it. We're locking this corridor down. Head upstairs. Suck it up, kid. You'll live.
Come with me, rookie. We're needed upstairs.
I've got readings.
Don't let your guard
give
down.
up like that?
They're testing the perimeter, Private.
What the? What happened to the lights?
They cut the power.
Multiple contacts! Sentry's running hot! They're at the pressure door!
Rookie, get down those stairs!
Sentry 1 is down. Find the command laptop. Get it back online.
This is it, man. This is it. Stay quiet. We'll make it.
We're on our own here. Take it down! It's down!
This is Tequila. You reading me, rookie? Hang in there. Charlie team's headed your way.
Tell them to hurry the fuck up.
You hear that? Oh, shit! Mag change!
Ordered us to retreat into a dead end.
Hey! I think I can squeeze through!
Climb over! Now!
On the left. Elevator on the way. Hold your position. There's no way. Stop them. This is Tequila. All Marines, regroup and retreat. Everybody, get back to the dropship RV point. This place is going to hell. Rookie, the sewer system runs underneath the entire colony. Follow the sewer tunnels back to the garage. Do it, Marine. You can wash the shit off in orbit.
Beats me why we go into these places just to save private operations like this. This is Weyland-Yutani's mess. They should clean it up. We're colonial Marines, not a corporate security force.
I had a priority call from Mr. Weyland today. I must pack up my team and leave at once for BG-386. He intimates a find that will hurl our research forward by decades.
Got company. Run! Keep moving. There's an elevator out at the other end of the sewers. Shit, they just keep coming. Get out of there! Get to the elevator at the end of the tunnel. Get out! Get out of there! Run!
Near as I can tell, those creatures are coming from the refinery. And they're not just killing people, they're taking them back there too. No word from anyone at the lab. Those bastards better have sent for the Marines, otherwise we're all